There's nothing more embarrassing than an ill-fitted eyeglasses. Want to know the perfect eyeglasses for your face? I'm your Eyeland Angel, Natashia, and I got you covered. A good eye care professional should use the 3-point touch rule. The frame should touch your nose, the top of the right ear, and the top of the left ear. If the frame is too wide, it will constantly slide down your face and will need adjustment. Some sunglasses and drugstore readers have straight back temples, known as library temples. These work perfectly if you take your eyeglasses off multiple times in a day. Most frames have what is known as a skull temple, which means it hugs your ear for a perfect fit. The placement of this hug is key. If the temple fits properly, you should not feel any pain behind the ear. The temple should not also be digging into the side of your head. If they do, whenever you chew, talk, or move your jaw, the frame will fall off your face. I'm your Eyeland Angel, Natashia. See you next time.